I think transportation. Hebu tuseme hello. Hello guys. My baby is saying hello. Say hello, mommy. Why are you shying? Say hello. Shika simu. Simu inakuaga yako, chukua. Say hello, mommy. Let's say hello. Hello, guys. Welcome to our channel. And I'm sorry, it's the baby. She wants to hold the phone. She's curious. She wanna see. You see how she's behaving? She wants to hold the phone. She wants to say hello to you guys. Give me my phone, mommy. Nipe. Leta simu. Leta simu tusalimie nini wa marafiki zetu. Tuseme hello. Hello.